mermaids, welcome back to my channel. So this video is another pregnancy related video, but this is going to be fun because in this video we are going to predict the gender of my baby by using old wives' tales. Disclaimer, I am doing this video just for fun. My husband and I just wanted a healthy baby. Also my husband wanted a golu molu baby as well. So yeah, I am doing this video just for fun. These days I am watching only pregnancy related videos, so that's why I am too much into this. So yeah, also you might notice some change in light. That's because of the cloudy weather. So without wasting any time, let's go. I don't know whether you can hear the sound of my neighbor's dog or not, but he is barking, so sorry for that. Now let's begin. I have 15 old wives' tales. So the number one is Chinese calendar. So Chinese calendar predict the gender of our baby according to our due date as well as our birthdays. So I'll just put my due date here. Also my birthday. So according to Chinese calendar, I am having a girl. Now baby's heart rate. If baby's heart rate is more than 140, then you are having a girl, and if it's less than 140, then you are having a boy. So at the ultrasound, like at the 12th week ultrasound, my baby's heart rate was 160, and before that also it was 160, and at the 20th week of ultrasound it was 140. So it's always been like greater than 140, so it's definitely a girl. Now mom's craving. If you are craving sweet, then you are having a girl, but if you are craving salty, you are having a boy. So definitely I'm craving salty all the time. I am like not at all craving for sweets. So yeah, then I am having a boy. Now the morning sickness. If you have morning sickness, then it's a girl, and if you don't have morning sickness, it's a boy. So I am not at all experiencing any morning sickness. Now I am on my second trimester, at the end of the second trimester you can say. So yeah, I am not at all feeling any morning sickness or something. Now dad's weight. If the weight is maintained, then it's a boy, and if the weight has gained, then it's a girl. So my husband's weight is pretty much same, so it's a boy. Now mom's emotions. If mom is moody, then it's a girl, and if mom is happy, it's a boy. I am not at all moody, not at all. I am happy all the time. So yeah, it's a boy. Now mom's skin. If it's problematic, it's a girl, and if it's glowing, it's a boy. My skin is not at all, like it's not glowing, but it's not problematic. So I used to have dry skin, but now like during my pregnancy time, it's all very not oily, but it's very normal and natural. I don't know how to say, but it is not problematic. So I am going to give this point to a boy. Now headache. If you are experiencing headache, then it's a boy, and if you are not experiencing any headache, then it's a girl. So I am not at all experiencing any headache, so it's a girl. Carrying. If you are carrying your belly high, then it's a girl, and if it's low, it's a boy. So according to me, I think I am carrying the belly low, not high. I think on the upper side of my belly it's all food, so it's definitely a boy. Now dream. So I dreamt actually 2 times for boy and 1 time for girl. So in this I'm going to give the point to boy. Now mom's intuition. Okay, I am like, I think, sorry, pregnancy burps. I think it's a girl. Like for me, I am totally into girls. Like I'm looking for girls clothes, I'm looking everything pink, and I don't know why, you might have noticed that my intro of the pregnancy video is also pink. So I am like all the time in my mind, like I am thinking about girl. So definitely I'm going this point to girl. Now the Mayan calendar. So what's the Mayan calendar? If you add your current age and month of conception, and if it will come odd, the total value, then you are having a girl, and if it's even, you are having a boy. So let me just quickly add my current age and month of conception. My current age and month of conception, so it's even, so that means it's a boy. Now sleeping side, if you are sleeping on your right hand side, then it's a girl, and if you are sleeping on the left hand side, it's a boy. So I am sleeping on my left hand side, so it's a boy. Now nose shape, if it's same, then it's a girl, and if it's bigger, it's a boy. So I think my nose is pretty much like same, not at all big or something, so I'm going to give this point to a girl. Now belly shape, if it's wide, it's a girl, and if it's round, it's a boy. So I think my belly is pretty much round only, not at all wide, so I'm going to give this point to a boy. So yeah, now we have 5 girls point and 10 boys point. So according to the old wife tales, I am having a boy. Now please, you also guess the gender and let me know in a comment section below what you think, whether I am having a girl or a boy. What's your intuition? I want to read those as well. So yeah, that's it for the video, and if you enjoyed it, then please hit a like button and also subscribe to my channel. Once again, I just want to say I have done this video just for fun, nothing else. It doesn't matter whether I'm having a girl or a boy. Like for us, it's our baby and it's going to be special. That's it. So yeah, that's it. Now I will see you on my next video. Bye.